Okay, YouTube, here we are. I'm just setting up the camera. I'm going to show you guys the budgie training in progress. Let's go! I'm so excited. Oh. So initially, I do this, and they get excited. They know it's coming. Okay? And here, listen to them. They're loving it. They're loving life. So I'm doing this to train them to be pet friendly. Promise a better video the other time I made this video, and I didn't come out very well. See how they're hanging around inside the cage? But now it's coming. They're excited. But this time, they don't know the camera is actually recording this time, so I can make a good video. So here we go. Hello, babies. Hello. Oh, look at this guy. He's coming, loves it. So yeah, here we go. And I'll just slip the thing straight to my hand. See that? I learned that quick. Now Bob's the green one. He's smart, and he should. No, he'll just. Oh, okay. He's being a bit of an arsehole. Just taking the spot here. Yeah. Blue one thing down the side. As you can see, they love spinach. Love spinach so much. We're doing this every day after work when I get home. And it's made them really comfortable with being, not handled, but with my hands near them, I should say. It's really good. It's kind of tiring on my arm, to be perfectly honest, because holding this position is quite tiring. But anyway, it's okay. As you can see, they're going off. Now, oh, there you go. Louis, over here, buddy. Over here. Yeah. There. There? Why there? So initially, the green one, who's Louis, the green one, call it Bob. Yeah. Eat. Stop showing off for the camera. And spread. Oh, you fucking asshole! You're up, Louis? No, you don't get any. You're being a bitch. No, if you want, you have to get on my arm. See, these guys pick on Bluey, for whatever reason. Don't know why, but they do. But yeah, I'll make sure that he gets equal attention to everybody else. And he lets them get away to it. I don't kind of like. I like him being standing up for himself. Come on, buddy. Come get some. Good boy. Fucking Bob. No. Fuck off. Yeah, they really don't like him. They really pick on him, which I really dislike. Oh, that's right, Bob. That's right, Louis. Bob's the green one. He's really smart, really clever. He's actually really funny as well. You guys got through that shit already. Fuck me drunk. It's ridiculous. I don't know if you can see that yellow thing where the keys on top of the cage. But I only got that 2 days ago. And they've already gnawed the fuck out of it. And like got rid of the standy bit. kind of annoying. Mum's burning like fuck now, to be perfectly honest. Holding this position, standing in an awkward spot with my feet. Doesn't feel nice. But, you know, you do what you do as a dad or slash owner. And probably for their pain, just for their benefit, so that's what I'm doing. But it is, the way I'm standing is not comfortable. Let me tell you, it's very uncomfortable. Good boy, Bluey. You fight it. You fight back, buddy. You fight back. Good boy. You show him, mate. Now, the two yellow ones, they used to bite my finger all the time when I try and do this. But now they don't bite my finger anymore. They actually just go for the food. They're comfortable with my finger being near them, which is really good. Especially the, I don't know if you, the yellow, the big yellow one, she's the girl. She's particularly aggressive with her biting. But now she doesn't bite anymore, which is amazing. And the yellow one there, for the first time, I think it was 2 days ago, she actually got my finger, sat there and ate the basil leaf, which is amazing, actually. Well, where Bob, the green one, puts his hand on, just pins it down and eats it. Cracks me up. Now, I do this once a day as a treat. So if I do it all the time, they'll won't appreciate it. Now let me adjust. Alright, that's enough for this video, I think. I can't really adjust my fingers to get the stem, little loop that's left over out. What I can probably do, I can do this. Yeah, you eat that. I can probably do this over here. Again, that's super uncomfortable. I can do this, and I can get to the leaf probably. But my arm's killing me right now. Got home from work and my arm's already sore. A hand sore actually. But this is particularly uncomfortable. Oops, dropped the old cross arm fucking uncomfortability thing. Do you share the food? There you go, you get that one. As you can see, they're like crackheads, these kids, when it comes to their spinach leaf, like little crackheads. Swarm all over it like a rash. You see Bluey on this side is actually putting up a bit of a fight against Bob for the food. Doesn't normally happen because Bob, who's the green one, is quite assertive eater. Quite assertive, so he does like dominate the food. These two over here I'm feeding now, they're kind of the non-friendly ones. So they're doing really well and not biting my finger actually. It's really good. I'll give him some seed in a second as well. Bob's my favourite, actually, I'll be honest with you. Bob is my favourite by 1,000 miles. I shouldn't say that, they're snack favourites, but I do. Oh. Where'd you go, Billy? Did you get your fair share, buddy? Get your fair share? Oh, okay. Fair enough. See how smart he is? He recognised what I was trying to do and went straight to it. And he's still happy just to sit in my hands, half. That's it, buddy. All done. Good boy. Alright, that's this video done. Oh, excuse me, Bluey. Good boy. G out. Hope you enjoyed that video. Just a bit of a feeding video of the birds, of the budgies. Hopefully before long they'll be coming to my finger or sitting on my shoulder and chilling with me, that sort of stuff. So yeah. Anyway, G out. Bye.